And operated, Kitamura has been producing machines since 1933. We are unique in that we are a private-owned company. It is very rare today among machines builders in Japan. By focusing on long-term growth and not just short-term profit, we are able to keep on hand a large supply of spare parts to serve our customers. This includes parts for our oldest machine first manufactured in 1980s. With most competitors in Japan being public companies, their priority moved to shareholder expectation instead of long-term business goal. Because public companies are subject to financial auditing, they are not able to hold this kind of parts stock to serve their customer base, especially for older models. Kitamura carry a total over $30 million in service parts inventory worldwide. $10 million domestic in Japan to support Asian customers. $10 million in our German headquarters to supply our European customer base, and about $11 million at the U.S. headquarters to support our North American customer base. With a focus on long-term continuous growth, I can personally guarantee that we have the ability to serve you a valuable investment that will remain supported and deliver the long-lasting performance for years to come.